Hey everyone, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry. I'm going to show you our new listing we have here. This is a 2017 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Do a quick walk for you guys to see what's inside. So here on the back we have triple Mercury 300 for autos. So that's a supercharged engine. Very quiet, very powerful. As you step on, this is a big aft seat, aft bench. It'll come out to a chaise lounge, and then it's in the covered portion here, so when you're running, it'll be down. One thing I want to say about this, the speakers on this boat are very loud. So if you have a lot of people out on anchor, up at the beach, something like that, no problem there. So come on in. So here are the wet bar. So you've got your grill, you've got a sink, cooler where you can put maybe a couple bottles, and then of course down below you have your fridge and a compartment for some trash. Right now we have the Teak table set up. This can also come out and store underneath the aft hatch here. So if you're having lunch, you can put this out, or if you need a little bit more space, you can store it away, and you've got a lot more open space here in the cockpit. You'll see lots of seating, L shape here, and then it's equipped right here. There's no carpet on this boat. It's all infinity woven vinyl, so it doesn't get matted down. It stays clean throughout the day. So you've got this. I'm standing on a large storage locker here, almost 5.5 feet of storage. So you've got, if you want to put any wakeboards or any skis down there, plenty of room. And you've got your co-pilot seat here, which also swivels. So whether you're running or at anchor, this can provide a lot more social space, and everyone can kind of talk to each other. Right here you have a cooler that you can take on and off the boat. So if you're setting up for the day, you can put that in there. All right, so here at the helm, you've got your tilt steering wheel, you've got your chart plotter, as well as you've got another Raymarine screen here that can double as chart plotter, but right now I've got it set up as all the lights. You can control all the lights, the sure shade that's on the aft part of the boat. You can put that in and out here. You've got your switches, as well as you've got a Mercury vessel view gauge here, so you can look at all your instrumentation, you can look at your chart, and you can control some options on the boat as well. This boat is configured with the joystick, so you've got autopilot configured into that as well. You've got your active trim system, as well as your trim tabs and your auto trim for your Lenco trim tabs. Very large head on this boat, so whether you're using it as a day head or storage, so you can put lots of storage in there if you need to do a quick swimsuit change. Plenty of room. Also, you've got on the starboard side, you've got a cabinet for you can get out of the weather. You can stay down in there, or again, you can use it for storage. It's got a TV and a little place to get out of the sun. If you follow me forward, you got here in the bow. So you got lots of storage on both the seat that I'm sitting on, as well as the one on the starboard side. You've got for 2, 3, 4 people enough room to really stretch out and enjoy the day, whether you're here at anchor or you're underway. There's a quick walkthrough of the 2017 350 SLX, new listing here in MarineMax Baltimore. Again, my name's Perry. If you'd like to see it in person, just give us a call or come and see the store. Thank you.